Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, this reading is for you. If you know an Aquarius, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednesdaytarot.com. And friends, the yearly readings have started, so you can buy your own personal reading, love yearly reading, career reading, or charms reading. But you can book your own from the website and book now so that you don't have to wait for the last minute rush. And this is a general reading, it may resonate or it may not. So let's see. Let's see, friends, you know the drill. Let's see. We're gonna look at your love life and work, Aquarius, and the Hindi Urdu versions have already been done on the other channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu. The link is in the timestamps. What is the theme of the month of October for Aquarius? Oh wow, the Ten of Swords. So something, okay. Judgment. Okay, so wow, this is a month. This is a very important month for you, Aquarius. There is some sort of a ending that's some sort of a pressures will be lifted off you from in the month of October. I feel like there is certain, you are walking with a lot of pressure right now. You have a lot of responsibilities, a lot of pressure. So you are definitely gonna find some relief, from those pressures in October. I feel October is the month where a spiritual awakening will happen. You will hear the call of the universe, call of the angels. It is like an awakening, you are awakening to something new, to your new life purpose. uh, I feel this is the breakthrough, breaking point of your life in October. How, like, you leave the past and you start something new. You are awakened spiritually, mentally, emotionally. Some of you will start working all together on a new course, a new life purpose. Some of you may actually shift, relocate, change countries. This is a month of breakthroughs. This is a month of hearing the call. This is a very important month, Aquarius. And yes, there are certain challenges. You may have to leave certain things behind. Actually, there are challenges. You have a, you are walking with troubles right now, a bag full of troubles or worries. That will be healed in the month of October. Nine of Wands, you are very close to victory. Do not give up, Aquarius. I feel some of you are frustrated. Some of you are like, when is this new dawn, new awakening? Readers keep on saying this is happening. When is it gonna happen for you? Friends, it is in the month of October, because many planets will be going in direct. In October, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, a lot of planets are going direct, and that will bring a spiritual awakening, a life awakening, emotional awakening, a breakthrough in your life, Aquarius. And yes, celebration. So definitely a celebration is coming your way. So you should stay happy, Aquarius, because celebrations are coming. The worries will be lifted. You will new friendships or new lovers are coming your way. I also see a victory, a hard earned victory is coming your way. Aquarius, Nine of Wands is, Ten of Swords is, you have worked, you have slogged, you have hustled. I don't know what all you have done, but rewards are coming, friends. Get ready. And I do feel you will be cutting a cake or celebrating a wedding, a birthday, an anniversary. So yoo-hoo, let's see your love life for Aquarius, their love life. Okay, the Lovers, the Two of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Page of Cups. Aquarius, their love life in October. Wow, friends, you have Justice, you have Strength, you have the Lovers. A lot of, you also have the Judgment. A lot of major arcanas are coming for you. So it is a big month for you. Don't take it lightly. October is very important month for you. Long-term changes may happen, or whatever happen will affect you for the long term, Aquarius. So yeah, it is a month of breakthroughs, like spiritually you are breaking free. So let us see. I see that, when you start the month of October, you're not feeling, you are very, very busy at work. Your focus is mostly on work, on money, on fulfilling yourself. But I do feel that love is coming your way, especially if you are single. There will be a choice of lover coming your way, or some sort of a proposal. I feel like if you are really, really single, God is aligning you with somebody, and it's destined. And I think this is like, you see, the angels are trying to bring two people together, bring two souls together, unite you together with somebody. It could be someone from your past returning back, or you might be thinking about this person, or I do feel like this person. So if you are single, it is a new person. If you already know somebody, then it is from the past who is coming back to you, but your focus is still on work. You are like, I'm enjoying my work, it's happy, it's beautiful. So you're definitely having a good time at work. So let us see, the second week of October. In the second week of October, someone who walked away from you, Aquarius, that person is coming back. Someone who wanted a family with you, someone who once dated you, loved you, they may have ghosted you. It could be friends also. If you are married, the second week of October is a little tough, because you may have a desire to walk out of a relationship, especially if it's a committed marriage kind of a relationship. So if you are not married, then someone from the past is coming. For married people, this might be a month, this might be a week where you may decide to leave a wedding or something, or leave some past issues behind, and focus on love. I also feel that proposals and messages from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person will be coming your way in the second week of October. So second week is a little tough. Like, some of you may feel like you should move on from a marriage or commitment, or someone who ghosted you want to come back. They will try to message you, they will try to win you. uh, let us see the third week of October. uh, the third week of October is, yes, this is a week of justice being finally happened, friends. I know, Aquarius, you have been, I don't know what to say. You have been through a lot in life. You have been through some sort of a thing is going on in your relationships. A test, a tribulation, a spiritual test, a karmic test. I don't know. But now you will be rewarded in the third week of October. Rewards are coming, justice will happen for you, the wrongs will be right, the wrongs will be set right. If you are single, this is the time you will find someone destined for you. If you have legal issues, this is the time victory will happen. Strength, your relationships are very, very strong, and they can stand the test of time. So this week you will see who is that person who is worthy of your love, who has passed the test and who hasn't. Nine of Swords. Yes, I do feel there is a person who has anxiety. Maybe they have some doubts, some inhibitions, I don't know how to say this, fears, but that will be resolved. Some person is healing, some relationship is healing. I feel like your relationship was going through a lot of ups and downs in the past and also in October, but third week is where balance comes back. And yes, the person who was keep waiting, watching and not contacting you or messaging you, they are going to call you in the third week, and justice is gonna happen. Like, finally justice happens, things fall in balance. If you were worried or anxious about some legal issues, or like, what do you call those issues about children, I forgot the name for a second. Oh god. Custody of children, yeah. So if you're going through those issues, or some marriage issues, or someone was being unfair to you, a third party or something, that will be resolved in the third week, because this is your month of awakening. The fourth week is gonna be very nice. You will be celebrating love, you will be celebrating, people will be celebrating you, Aquarius. You're gonna really, really enjoy the fourth week. And Two of Wands, yes, I do feel you will find your lover very mature, very caring, very loving, and finally things falling in place. Three of Pentacles, yes, there will be harmony, there will be you and your lover will be on the same page on the final week of October. Amazing. Let's see some advice, and then we're gonna look at your career. Let's see some advice for our viewers. for their love life, Aquarius. What is their advice? Truth, yes, awakening, look for the truth. You This is October is your month, Aquarius, where things come to light, hidden things come to light. What is the higher purpose of a relationship, that comes to light. And triumph, yes, you're gonna have a victory, absolutely, there is no doubt about it. In your love life, all these tests, all these tribulations, all these weight, you gonna win. And also I see your love life moving more fast, moving quickly, and balance. So yes, 1111 twin flame relationships are very, very important. So yes, I do see twin flame healing will also be happening, or a soulmate healing happening, memories. Someone from the past is important, and you will be healing your past issues. A lot of past issues will be healed. And if you do not find somebody in this month, I definitely feel you will be finding somebody in the coming months, because this is the month where you prepare everything, the stage is set, and the next player of your life or your act is coming. So stay tuned. Aquarius, let us see your career, how the career and work will be for Aquarius. Oh, celebrations, material harvest, whoo hoo hoo, and wisdom and harmony. Oh my God, Aquarius, no wonder your focus on love is not so much. Um, you can expect a celebration, you can expect a victory, you can definitely expect some sort of a win coming your way. If you are a student, you can expect good times with in your studies. Your results will be good, your grades will be good, your exams will be going great. So you will feel more or less happy about your work life and satisfied, I feel, with your work and career. Yes, some of you are worried about money, but money will be coming your way, friends. There is a lot of money coming your way. Some of you will be starting or some of your own work, like starting your own page, your own channels, your own businesses, and then you will be very successful. If you are already doing something, you will be successful in it. Wisdom, yes. You can count on your wisdom. You are very smart, Aquarius. You may have different ideas, unique views. This is a time to put them into use. This is a time to lead the world. This is a time you share your knowledge. So go out there and shine like the sun. And harmony, there is a lot of support from the universe in your work and career, Aquarius. Also, you will find emotionally very connected with your work, career. Some of you may also attract love from your work, from your studies, from your classes or something. So love is important. Also, you may find colleagues, good collaborations, people who can help you, people who can help you out, people who can connect with you. You guys can help each other. So that's the thing. Let's see what is the advice for our viewers for work, Aquarius. What is, oh my God, okay. So, sacred plan. So, yes, there is a sacred plan. You may be feeling like life is not going anywhere, or you feel like you don't know what is the purpose of this life, why things are happening certain way, why you are being facing so many challenges. It is because life has a sacred plan. There's a lot of dust today in the air, friends. I don't know what's happening. It was kind of stormy right now, windy also, so the air has a lot of dust in it, even though I'm inside the house, not like outside. So yeah, sacred plan, yes, there is a plan, a divine plan that's being unfolded in your life, Aquarius. Take a step back. Yes, October is a time you should not force things, friends. Let things happen for you. Take a step back, relax, enjoy life. Don't worry too much, don't stress too much. Everything is going as per the divine plan, and things are going to happen for you, Aquarius. And a composer, yes, get ready, friends. All you have to do is say yes, you are ready for a miracle, and it's gonna happen for you. Yes. And celebrations. Let's see some other messages for Aquarius. All right. Is it dusty where you live, guys? It is. It's not usually dusty. I don't know. There was a storm here, a dust kind of a storm. Horse, short journey. So yeah, some of you could be going for a journey. I think some of you may actually be going for a vacation after a long time, or you could be meeting you could be meeting a marriage proposal. You could be shifting and relocating also. News is on its way. Yes, good news is coming for you. Butterfly, changes are coming for you. Grasshopper, situation in the balance that situations in the balance that require careful planning. So yeah, there are certain situations which you need to handle carefully. And bird perched, waiting for news, package or letter. Yeah, you are definitely waiting for something. You are waiting for a miracle, Aquarius, and it's this is the month. And even if you don't see any result in October, friends, please do not give up, because I do feel October, November are twin months for you. Actually, I wanted to do October, November readings, but then we'll see. We'll be doing that quickly also. So, Angel, ooh. Definitely, friends, your connection with spirit will be very strong, with your spirit family, with your spirit world, spiritual guidance, protection from the harm. You're very protected. Had you will be playing a different role. Yes, your life purposes are changing. Some of you will be, your life is changing and you may not be aware of it. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Oh my god, some of you could be getting a diamond ring, wedding. Some of you could be, you are also a diamond, Aquarius. Hammock, so taking a vacation, yes, physically or mentally. Bull, do not back down from approach, so show strength and fortitude. So yeah, you're very strong, Aquarius, and all is going well for you. Crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. So a new birth is definitely happening, or you are already working on something to happen. Heart, love, deep affection, and caring is coming. Firecracker, excitement. Oh my god, you have lots of cards. I'm tired. Aquarius. Whew. So even you should keep some patience. Like even I got impatient. I'm like, how long is this reading? Success assured with good plans and hard work. So yes, things are developing in your life. Just be patient, Aquarius. Clouds, temporary problems. Your problems and worries are temporary. You will see rewards. You will see a life purpose. You will see a miracle, and the miracle is also to like Magic Wins Tarot. Like, share, subscribe, friends. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.